Milton, I don't know what to say. Oh, you are more than, in fact, you are more than reliable and trusted. I don't know how my brother will feel. In fact, when he sees this letter, oh my God, the whole family will be
guys,
jubilating.
a lot of people have been asking me, Milton, please, we need a school in Austria that teaches in English or that has English programs at both bachelor's and master's degree. Now, if you are new to the channel, guys, the very first thing you should do for me is press the like button, like this video, and also look over here. You are going to find the subscribe button. Please do not miss out. Subscribe to the channel so that we get the channel to 30k subscribers. Thank you so much. So without wasting a lot of time, if you are watching this video now, please do not waste a lot of time. There is no time on your side. Admissions was open in this university I am talking about on the 1st of March and is going to be closing on the 1st of June. On the 1st of June, you must have paid your application fee. €50 application fee you have to pay to this particular university in Austria. And again, before you even pay the registration fee, that is the application fee, there are 3 different motivation letters you have to write. 1, why you are entering the university. 2, why did you choose the university? 3, how is the university going to impact your life? Something related to that. So you are going to type them somewhere, probably on Microsoft Word, the motivation letters, and you copy and you paste on there. Remember, there are words limits. If you type more than, if they say we need 250 words in this section and you go and you type 251, it will not go in. You will have to delete some. So I'm just telling you because I have done an application in this university. But again, I want to draw your attention to the fact that this university, especially for the bachelor's degree programs, they only accept 240 students. So if you want to apply to this school, you have to be sure, understand that the competition is going to be higher. My first advice to you is apply quickly. And my second advice is do not put your eggs only in this university, but if you go in, you are going to benefit from the low tuition fee. Tuition fee is 363.21 euros. All right, so you should apply immediately and do not waste time. Now, I also want to draw your attention to the fact that this university is found in a country in the Schengen zone. All right, the name of this school is called WU Vienna, which is a University of Economics and Business in Vienna. Now, their bachelor's degree programs include business, economics, and social sciences. They also have business law. They also have business and economics. If you ask my opinion, I would say that try to launch an application if you are coming from high school. Those of you asking me for bachelor's degree programs in Europe, if you can study, someone asked me just few hours ago if he can actually study with high school certificate. Yes, you can study with high school certificate. While filling the application form, do not forget there is an English document. That is why I have always said that you do not need IELTS to study in some of these schools. But however, having the IELTS is advantage you because this school is competitive. So they are going to be looking for these petty things that they don't need to see if you need it. You actually apply attached to your application to eliminate some people. That is fact. This is admissions and there is no pity party. All right, so there is no IELTS needed. But when you are filling the online application form, you are going to see somewhere where you can download an English document and take it to your competent authorities. There are authorities, they will indicate there. You will see the people that can sign that document for you. You fill the documents, take it to the people to sign. It is an English exam to prove that you know English. You have been studying in English for the past couple of years and you do not need IELTS. When they sign, you bring it back, attached to the other documents, and upload to this application. All right, there is a place you are going to see how to upload your documents. All right, you are going to upload all your documents using one PDF file. You attach all of them together. Remember, there is a size limit. File size is there. If it exceeds that file size you find on the portal, you cannot upload it. You would need to reduce it, but it's simple. You go online, PDF or maybe compressed PDF, something like that. You are going to do the reduction. All right, like I said, this is WU Vienna and it is called University of Economics and Business in Vienna. These are just the 3 bachelor's programs available in this university. Now, if you want to go to the master's degree programs, you make sure you watch the video to the end so you see the list of master's programs available from supply chain management to business, transport and logistics and stuff like that. You are going to see that at the extreme end. Now, the first stage for you to go about this school, when you go to the website, you read the requirements. When everything is okay, you create an account. When you create an account, all right, you put in your passport details, your email address, and they will take you to the next step where you have to answer some question and of course upload your documents. Remember, I said you have to attach all these documents as one PDF. Make sure before the 1st of June you have finished everything. I will not even advise you to wait till the 1st of June. Remember, they need just 240 students worldwide. Therefore, if you come late, they will drop you. They will be dropping people from the onset. All right, this is a step-by-step process, so they will start dropping people before even calling people for evaluation, before selecting some people to go for online interviews. So please, you have to be smart. Do not waste time. You have to be smart. To finish every step, it is going to indicate that it has been completed. Okay, then after that, remember something very important I almost forgot: legalization of your documents. I have a lot of videos on this channel talking about legalization of documents from Ministry of Education, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, Austrian Embassy. The process is everywhere on my channel. Even if you just type study in Austria, you are going to find my videos all over. All right, you are going to see this face. You are going to find my videos. Watch them keenly. There are a lot of videos I have for Austria to direct international students. They are going to guide you on how to go about your legalization depending on the country you are coming from. I always specify Nigeria, Cameroon, Ghana, Kenya, and all over. All right, Indians, of course, the process is the same. So follow this and apply to the school this way. So guys, this is the school website. Then you come to this area that is written application. All right, in the application, you will now need to select which program you need. Then if you take it here, you are going to see bachelor's degree programs, master's programs, and PhD programs. These are the list of bachelor's programs. If you click bachelor's, you are going to see this is business and economics. This is business law. Then this is business and economics, business, economics, and social sciences. This is what I was talking about. But now let's take a look at the master's programs here. You will then click masters. All right, when you click masters, you open the programs here. Then you are then going to find export and international. That one is in French, is in German, by the way. Then there is management. You equally have business communication. There is digital economics. There is international management, which is the same program. This one is a joint program. All right, it's a joint degree program. Then there is marketing. There is quantitative finance, socio-ecology, economics and policy, strategic innovation and management control, supply chain management. These are the programs available at master's degree in this particular university. Okay, so that now let's assume that you want to apply to this university, right? You would then come to this place that say please select. You click that position. Let's assume you want to apply for a bachelor's program. You click bachelor's, then you select the program you need. Let's assume you want to apply for business and economics. You click business and economics. Let's assume that you are academic, you are an international student. This area is for people with Austrian education. It is not for you as an international. This is your own area. Remember, you are applying with secondary school leaving certificate obtained in a non-EU country. All right, you click this one. When you click this one, you go to next. That is what you are going to see. When you click, you go to next, it is going to load, and when it loads, you will find issues like this, things like this, and of course you are applying for bachelor's. All right, this is it. This bachelor's program, business economics, secondary school leaving certificate obtained in a non-EU country. Now you have to read the requirements. Step 1 is requirements. Go to requirements and read it. Then step 2 is application and selection procedure. All right, then go to application and selection procedure. You have to pay attention to this section. Then step 3 is admissions, but this is where you are going to start. Requirements. All right, then when you finish with requirements, you apply here at step 2. Okay, I'm going to explain all the details. If you follow this video critically, this is where you are going to be applying. Go to application and selection procedure. This is where you are going to upload your documents, your motivation letter, everything, your academic credentials. Do not forget to upload, to print out the English document, give to the competent authorities to sign before you upload it. You attach to all your documents and upload here as one PDF file. It is very important. Then this is the procedure for bachelor students. However, the same procedure goes for master's degree students as well. But please do not forget those documents, they are important. The advanced level, if you are coming from Cameroon, are very important. Attach them. All right. Remember, they are all originals you are attaching. Please, mature certificate is equally also accepted. I think so. There is a Nigerian girl who pulled through with a NAPTEC certificate. All right, NAPTEC is I don't know, but Nigerians understand what I mean. Then the passport size photograph, they need one. You need to attach your picture. And of course, you have international passport, you need to attach as well. Then you need 3 different motivation letters. Like I said, this is how the process works with this particular university, University of Economics and Business in Vienna. Now, check. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel and thank you so much for joining today. Guys, so if you are an international student and you are looking for universities which are still open abroad where you can apply and start studies in September, then or September, October, because that is the time range for the winter intake of this year, then you can apply to this university. And this university is located in a European country. This country is not in the European Union, but if you are in this country, you can always move into the European Union for free. That is to say, if you have a visa to migrate to this particular country and study in this university, then you can always move to Europe for free. You can always move to the European Union for free. Okay, now I want to equally draw your attention to the fact that if you are not a native English speaker, or let me say a native speaker, then you might be needing IELTS in this application. However, if you are an English speaker and the university asks you to submit IELTS score as proof of English in order to enroll in this particular university, then you can equally tell the university that you studied in English. This is your transcript. This is, or you say, this is my transcript. This is my attestation. And these are my documents. I actually studied in English, all right? But they can give preference to you because you actually study in English. Another thing I want to draw your attention to here is that international students have a different tuition fee, which I will give you, and nationals have a different tuition fee. The name of the country I'm talking about is Switzerland, and the name of the university I'm talking about is the University of Neuchatel. All right, it's Neuchatel. That's Neuchatel. All right. So if you want to study in Switzerland, you should consider proof of funds very importantly. All right, proof of funds is very important. And again, understand that there are a list of universities in Switzerland. Though Switzerland is expensive, the weather is somehow harsh. All right, living cost is expensive, of course. But when you work in Switzerland, you are going to get a good pay. I can guarantee you the pay is good. All right. Then, though these things are expensive in Switzerland, but education is not very expensive. There are actually some affordable universities in Switzerland, just that a lot of international students don't know. And I will be talking about some of these universities in subsequent videos. But before we talk about them, let's start with the very first one today. And I am going to be talking about Neuchatel, like I explained to you. Remember, before you start an application, I will finish with this part of the video. Then the second part will explain to you how you are going to go about the admissions and the requirements and what you need to do with respect to bachelor's, master's, and PhD programs. Okay, so for bachelor's degree students, you should understand that all your programs in this particular university are going to be taught in French language. So if you come from a francophone country like Cameroon, Guinea, Cote d'Ivoire, and all these other countries, then you are good to go. But if you don't, then you have English proficiency or French proficiency, I beg your pardon. You can equally apply to this particular university, and of course, you may apply for a visa, all right? But know that bachelor's programs are all taught in English, in French language, not English, by the way. Then master's degree programs are all taught in English language, while PhD programs are all taught in English language at the University of Neuchatel. All right. Then when it comes to a list of programs, they have a lot of programs, but the only limitation here is that there are no engineering programs. So if you are looking for an engineering or engineering field, things like computer science, computer engineering, civil engineering, then you should be looking at ETH Zurich, all right, or other engineering schools in Switzerland, because there are other schools like the University of Lausanne, the University of Geneva, ETH Zurich, and so many other universities in Switzerland. Okay, however, like I told you, they don't have engineering courses, And again, tuition fee for Swiss nationals is 950 Swiss franc, all right, which is equivalent to 950 euros, because Swiss franc and euros is almost the same thing. The conversion rate is not different, it's the same. Then for international students, you are going to be paying 1,540 euros per academic year. Is it per semester? Per semester of the program. So if you intend to study at this particular university, then that is your fee you are going to be paying. Remember, this is not a standard fee for all the other schools, all right? Schools like the University of Lausanne, the University of Geneva, these are schools that you can literally pay 500 euros and you study in them. So if you are applying for any Swiss university, first of all, check the programs available, check the tuition fee, check the language of instruction, all right? Because some universities only teach in English, while others teach in French and English, some in English and German. You always need to check, because remember, like I told you, in Switzerland, there are various cantons. You go to Lausanne and Geneva, you will not get the same language. You go maybe to Basel, you will not get the same language like in Zurich. You understand? Various cantons have its own language they speak. So please make sure you verify all the details. You can apply as fast as possible, because the application deadline in this particular university is around the 20th of April, around the 20th of this month. So you have less time to apply for programs, okay? I hope those that, if you are equally looking for an admissions to Canada, you can contact me. If you have problems with study abroad, all right? If you need guidance, you want to call me, then book an appointment from the video description box, all right? Then equally, there is a link for you to access this information I'm giving you. Please make sure you immediately click on it, and equally subscribe to our YouTube channel, all right? So now let's take a look at the other processes, the admissions, what you need to know about bachelor's programs, the requirements, the documents you need to submit, all right? There are a lot of documents you are going to see here. So please make sure you stay tuned to the end of the video so that you go through all the list of documents available, or the documents you need to submit at the University of Neuchatel. And after you submit these documents, after the admissions deadline, remember there is a 100 Swiss franc for application fee. After the admissions, you are going to be given admissions. Then you now proceed to visa application, all right? For other videos about visa application, I equally have them on this YouTube channel. So please make sure you verify everything and make sure you are moving in track, all right, or on track. I hope we meet again.